The Ghanaian cedis is appreciating to the US dollar, and it is kind of funny in Ghana right now. A lot of people are talking about the appreciation of the cedis to the dollar in 2025, as in May. What is today's date? May 28th. So at the time recording this particular video, the dollar rate currently from Google is at 10 cedis 38 pesos right over here. So as you can see, from 28th of April, it was around 15.26, and it has been reducing drastically to 10.36. So what do you think? Is the dollar still coming down? Let's talk about some of the things which contribute to the cedis appreciation to the US dollar in this particular video. So are you willing to purchase dollar when the cedis depreciates on the stock market right over here? So I'm going to show you how you can purchase dollar, and I'm going to talk about some of the factors which contribute to the appreciation of the dollar and the appreciation of the cedis as well in this particular video. So if today happens to be the very first time coming across any video of mine on YouTube, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop any content about how to make money online right here on YouTube. The dollar is currently depreciating. So without wasting much time, let's get back to the video. So currently, the dollar rate to the Ghana cedis is around 13.36 Ghana cedis, and that is on Google, and on Binance it is selling around 11.24. That is the list right over here, and we have 11.27 and a lot right over here. So in order to purchase US dollar, there is a lot of ways that you can purchase US dollar. That is, you can use your local banks, go to the black market, or buy it on some external crypto wallets. So I've already made a video on how you can set up a crypto external wallet for yourself. That is Binance, OKS, Trust Wallet, and others. So you can watch that particular video in order to get fair knowledge about external crypto wallets and how to set them up in order to make purchases on Binance, OKS, and other external crypto wallets. So right over here, as you can see, there's 11.24, and if you are willing to purchase a dollar right now, I think this is the best time, or you can wait for it to depreciate more. Sometimes I'm happy about the dollar depreciating, and sometimes I'm very sad because the price of goods and services are still the same in Ghana. Despite the appreciating of the cedis, the price of goods and services are still stagnant in Ghana. People are not willing to reduce the price of their services or their goods. So it is profitable for dollar to rise in Ghana than for it to fall, because when it falls, people doesn't reduce their prices for their goods and services. So I would like it when the dollar gets to 20 cedis or even 30 cedis. Yes, that is me. So right now, if you're willing to purchase USDT, which is a stable coin which you can later convert to Ghana cedis in order to make profit, this is what you have to do. Simply log in or create an account on Binance, and it's very easy for you to create an account on Binance. Okay, simply go to the Google Play Store or the App Store in order to download Binance, and you'll be good to go. Verify with your national identification card, your driver's license, or your passport, and you'll be good to go. So after the verification, this is what you have to do. I'll make the tutorial on my smartphone because it is somehow complicated, or most people are not familiar with the desktop interface as compared to the smartphone interface. So I'll go to my smartphone and start from the home page, and I'll show you step by step in order to purchase the stable coin, which is USDT, so that whenever you are ready for a trade or sell, you will be good to go. So this is the home page of my Binance account right now. In order to sell, or in order to buy or sell crypto on Binance, there's a need for you to go to the P2P, that is peer-to-peer. So when you go to the trade option, you can see the P2P right over here. Simply tap on it, and here you're going to see the buy option and the sell option right over here. So if you are purchasing the stable coin, you can use to buy, and if you are selling, if you have any to sell, you can tap on the sell, and there is a rate for that. So we are currently going to buy. So as you can see right over here, you can see the rate to be 11.1. we have 11.25, 11.29, and we always prefer the least one. So if you want to purchase, if you are new on Binance, you'll be asked to add your payment method, that is MTN, Telecel Cash, or Airtel to go, or better still, you can add your bank in order to make payments. So as you can see EcoBank, you can see MTN Mobile Money. So the very first one is from Express Payments One, of which the payment method is EcoBank, of which I'm not currently having an EcoBank account. So you can see Usman 1, that is the second ad, which is purchasing the dollar at 11.23, or which is selling dollar at 11.23. So if you are willing to purchase from this particular vendor, you tap on the ad and it's going to show us the terms and conditions right over here. So you are going to enter the amount of dollar that you want to purchase. So when I go to USDT, I'll simply say enter, say 40 USD. So let me enter 50 USDT, and let's see the amount I'm going to pay. So I'm going to pay 562 Ghana cedis if I want to get 50 USDT right over here. So in order to proceed, I'll simply tap on place order, but currently I'm not in need of the US dollar right now. I'm holding no matter what. I'm not going to sell my dollar at this moment because it is selling at 11.24, and on Binance it is selling at 1.36, and I think on GCB, let me check on Ghana Commercial Bank. So let me check right here on Ghana Commercial Bank for you to know the rates on Ghana Commercial Bank. I'm already having the app on my phone, but I don't want to switch from Binance to the other app. So as you can see, the Ghana Commercial Bank is selling at 10.5, that is for the USD, and it is buying at 9.6, and for pounds and euros it is also here 14, that is the buying, and 14.30 when selling, and for the euro is 11.7 and 12 euros when 12 Ghana cedis when you are selling. So it's very easy for you to purchase this, and currently this is for Binance. I'm going to make a video for OKS if you're really interested in purchasing some assets or USDT on OKS, but I recommend Binance for you because I've been using Binance for a lot of years and I've not encountered any problem on Binance as at I think 6 years or 7 years of using Binance for trading and other things. It's very easy. The security is top notch. So if you really want to get into crypto or purchasing of dollar or something like that, you can download Binance. I used to say Binance. Is it Binance or Binance? Anyways, I used to purchase my crypto assets from Binance, and the security is very tight. There is no need for you to worry about security issues or getting your funds lost or being scammed on Binance. No way. So this is actually how you can purchase the dollar. The very first one is for you to go to your local banks, and the next one is for you to go to the black market in order to purchase one for yourself. If you are in Sunyani, I can get you one guy who is very trustworthy for you to purchase a dollar from, and his rate is quite good. And if you want to use the Binance P2P, it's very simple and very easy. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. If today happens to be the first time, as I said earlier on, kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop any video right over here. Let's meet on my next video.